Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the online Portal by AppFolio app is and how it's positioned. The app is officially described as a secure resident and property management portal provided by AppFolio that lets users interact with property-related services on mobile. According to official app listings, residents can submit maintenance requests, view and pay rent, and check lease details directly within the app. It also highlights that users can view documents, track communication with property managers, and receive community alerts as supported by their property's configuration. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Verified information shows that the online Portal app supports secure login tied to the user's property account and typically requires credentials given by a landlord or property manager. There are also features for viewing payment history, upcoming charges, and managing multiple properties under one login if supported. Some descriptions indicate residents can upload proof of payment or documents when needed for administrative processes. This app may be useful for residents who want a centralized way to manage rent, maintenance needs, and communications with their property management team. For users interested in a mobile solution for everyday rental tasks, this could be an option to consider if their property uses AppFolio system. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.